A guru is the compass that activates the magnets of curiosity and knowledge within the student. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Greetings to one and all. I am A. Advika, the Tamil Debate Club Secretary at PSBB Nugambakkam, and I warmly welcome you all to Day 9 at PSBB Vidya Shakti, the YouTube channel dedicated to celebrating the teachings of our Guru, Dr. Mrs. Y.G. Parthasarathy.
Vidya Shakti, Medha Shakti, Kalashraya Shakti.
Men may come and men may go, but PSBB will go on forever.
A beautiful song about Lord Vishnu's miracles from the movie Dasavataram was one of Mrs. YGP's favorites. She loved the lyrics and the music. DK Sanjana, an alumna of PSBB Nugambakkam, performs this song as a special and melodious tribute to our legend.
Ellarukkum Vanakkam. I'm Sanjana Kalmanje. I was part of the 2013 batch. I had the absolute privilege of knowing Mrs. YGP ma'am. She was definitely one of the driving forces in my music and my career. We would have all these conversations about my singing. She will always push me to test my limits and think outside the box. She'll make me question everything that I've believed in so far. And I'm so honored that I'm able to do this today and sing a song for her. There was this song that she really enjoyed. I sang this in one of the carnivals that was hosted by our school. She wasn't part of the audience, but she heard it and then she came near the stage and made me sing it again. And there's no encouragement like that. So this song is for you, Mrs. YGP ma'am. Thank you for everything that you've done for me.
Mukunda Mukunda Krishna Mukunda Mukunda Varamda Varamda Vrindavanamda Vanamda Mukunda Mukunda Krishna Mukunda Mukunda Varamda Varamda Vrindavanamda Vanamda Venneyundavaya மண்ணையுண்டவா பெண்ணையுண்ட காதல் நோய்க்கு மருந்தாகவா முகுந்தா முகுந்தா கிருஷ்ணா முகுந்தா முகுந்தா வனம்தா வரம்தா பிருந்தாவனம்தா வனம்தா என்ன செய்ய நானும் தோள் பாவைதான் உந்தன் கைகளாட்டி வைக்கும் நூல் பாவைதான் முகுந்தா முகுந்தா கிருஷ்ணா முகுந்தா முகுந்தா வரம்தா வரம்தா பிருந்தாவனம்தா வனம்தா ஜெய ஜெய ராம் ஜெய ஜெய ராம் ஜெய ஜெய ராம் ஜெய ஜெய ராம் சீதாராம் ஜெய ஜெய ராம் ஜெய ஜெய ராம் ஜெய ஜெய ராம் மச்சமாக நீரில் தோன்றி மறைகள் தன்னை காத்தாய் கூர்மமாக மண்ணில் தோன்றி பூமி தன்னை மீத்தாய் வாமனன் போல் தோற்றம் கொண்டு வானல வந்து சிம்மமாகி ஹிரணியனை கொன்றாய். ராவணன் தன் தலையை கொய்ய ராமனாக வந்தாய். கண்ணனாக நீயே வந்து காதலும் தந்தாய். இங்கு உன்னவதாரம் ஒவ்வொன்றிலும் தான் உந்தாரம். நானே உன் திருவடிப்பட்டால் திருமணமாகும் என்றிலே ஏங்குகிறேனே. மயில் பீலி சூடி நிற்கும் மன்னவனே, மங்கைக்கு என்றும் நீயே மணவாளனே. முகுந்தா முகுந்தா கிருஷ்ணா முகுந்தா முகுந்தா, வரம் தா பிருந்தாவனம் வனம் தா.
Let's listen to a delightful and ever-relevant article, Let Parents Lead, from Stree, written by Rashmi the journalist for The Hindu in 1957. Mrs. YGP also wrote for other magazines. In fact, when she was writing for the Sports and Pastime, she got to interview the first astronaut in space, Yuri Gagarin. She even interviewed in person the great Hollywood director Frank Capra. Diverse were her talents, and untiring were her efforts to inculcate the habit of reading through unique and varied programs in the school. Dr. Mrs. YGP reaches out to all generations through this article about the importance of the habit of reading. It continues to be relevant and applicable to the younger generation and the parents of today. In fact, it appears as if she is directly addressing everyone. A classic from our very own revered and cherished Stree, indeed.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am Sri Mahalakshmi of class 12A and I am indeed proud to present Rashmi the journalist. Mrs. YGP was a columnist for The Hindu and wrote 85 articles under the heading Women's Corner from 1949 to 1967. I am honored to read an excerpt from this invaluable collection, one which has a message on the ever delightful habit of reading, especially the classics, entitled Let Parents Lead. To most of us, the reading habit means only one thing: reading texts prescribed by schools and colleges under compulsion, and that for acquiring a degree or a promotion, which is the ultimate aim. If at all our students go into libraries, it is to see reference books, and outside college hours to read thrillers and mystery novels. The younger generations go one step further and plunge into any trash with a dash of romance in it, or go in for horror books and comics. The greedy delight and curiosity to read anything between covers, to roam about in all kinds of places, always discovering new countries that can be explored and enjoyed. This literary habit of omnivorous reading that includes difficult books, classics, and masterpieces of literature has been acquired only by very few, I'm afraid, and that too, strangely enough, only by those who have not entered the portals of a college or high school. It is for educated parents and teachers to choose good classics, easy to read and remember, and enchantingly illustrated, and persuades the kids to enjoy them. The children can also be taken to pictures like Ivanhoe or other films made from classics. Once they see the classics on the screen, their curiosity and eagerness to read the novels, to enjoy leisurely and retain the beauty of the literature will be roused, and they will begin to read them on their own. Another way to interest the students or the children in good literature is to show your own joy in such books as one of the most delightful experiences. Then, the child will begin to take fire from your enthusiasm, and after a while, try to find out the joy on his own. Of course, adult classics require serious attention, close application, and an ardent effort to understand what the author is saying. If you leave the child alone with such books after the initial effort, he will be lost. but if you take care and patience to lure him along by personal participation in the reading of such books, sharing your joy, pointing out the beauty of the literary passages, and opening to his young and lively imagination vistas of the beautiful world beyond those vivid word pictures that the author has painted, he will soon realize that he cannot get along without them. So it is for the parents and teachers to lead the way to good reading habits. The child will automatically follow suit. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you.
Satvika Shankar vividly remembers Dr. Mrs. YGP praising her for her portrayal of Hanuman in her Arangetram when she was 11 years old. Later on, when she adorned the same role in her Guru's dance production, Parishvanga Pattabhishekam, at Bharat Kalachar, she received the Parishvangam of Mrs. YGP. This abang on her favorite Lord Hanuman is a colourful tribute by Satvika, alumna PSPB Nungambakam.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. No talent goes unnoticed under the eyes of Dr. Mrs. YG Parthasarathy. The support and encouragement that I received from my school Padma Sheshadri has made me into a full-time dancer today, despite holding a degree in chartered accountancy. This is a small tribute to that legend.
Nadrita nidhi tatumtrita nidhi tadi tadi tadita nadrita nidhi tatumtrita nidhi tadi tadi tadita nadrita nitumtrita nidhi nanadere na nadrita nitumtrita nidhi nanadere na nadere nitumtrita nidhi nanadere na dere dere na dere na dere na di di dere na dere na dere na dere na di 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 datari gida dhim dere na di dere na tanare na di Mahabharati di Mahabharati Balavi Mahabharati Balavi Mahabharati Bhavajanati madila vaya harila sakala Balavi Mahabharati Bhavajanati madila vaya harila sakala Balavi Mahabharati Bhavajanati madila vaya harila sakala Balavi Mahabharati Balavi Mahabharati Balavi Mahabharati Aljani balak Trailokya jalak Aljani balak Trailokya jalak Jani laka maji tara Ravana chudara dana Jani laka maji tara Ravana chudara dana Be Mahabharati Be Mahabharati Balavi Mahabharati Balavi Mahabharati Bhavajanati madila vaya harila sakala Balavi Mahabharati Bhavajanati madila vaya harila sakala Balavi Mahabharati Bhavajanati madila vaya harila sakala Balavi Mahabharati Balavi Mahabharati Balavi Mahabharati Shri Rama Sevaka Kalyankaraka Shri Rama Sevaka Kalyankaraka Krishna Vishnu Jagannatha Smarana Gachala Balavi Mahabharati Krishna Vishnu Jagannatha Smarana Gachala Balavi Mahabharati Bhavajanati madila vaya harila sakala 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 Balavi Mahabharati Bhavajanati madila vaya harila
செதற கற்பவை கற்றபின் நிற்க அதற்கு தக. This Tirukkural, written by the revered poet Thiruvalluvar, translates as a flawless learning and standing by what we have learned is the essence of true education. I now invite our distinguished alumni, Dr. H. Ramesh, batch of 1973, and Dr. Ramasubramaniam, batch of 1982 from PSBB Nugambakam, and Mr. Vinod K. Jacob, Indian Foreign Service, batch of 1993, PSBB KK Nagar, to relive memories of their alma mater.
Mrs. YGP, as she is popularly known to everyone, has been a colossus in the field of education for so many decades. It's always customary to say nice things about one's teachers, and there are many qualities of Mrs. YGP that bear emulation. I wish to, however, highlight 5 standout qualities. First, an indomitable will to succeed and to progress. The early days of PSBB schools and all the difficulties that she had to face, and she never gave up. Second, a larger-than-life personality who believed that she had to make a difference, and a positive difference, to everything that she touched and she did in her life. The PSBB schools was a pleasant departure from the custom in most schools in Chennai, where education was based on a Western system with a completely westernized culture. And in PSBB we had so much Indianness, so much tradition, and so much of age-old customs. Fourth, she was a great champion of women's empowerment. And if you understand that the Nugambakam Ladies Recreation Club gave birth to this giant in education, it is easy to understand. Last but not the least, she's been a very humane, though somewhat imperious person with a great memory. I called her several decades after I finished my school, and she quite immediately remembered, and she even was able to say my initial. A wonderful teacher, and in the last years of her career, she used to stand in for other teachers who were absent. On one such occasion, she chose to discuss Shakespeare's Macbeth in our class. The whole story came alive as she talked about it. And even now, when I think about her, I look out of the window and I fancy I see the trees march upon Dunsinane Castle. I salute this great person and her team, which has transformed the Sherwood Forest of education into a gold mine where each of us have been enriched. I pray that her indomitable will, her perseverance, her commitment to education will continue in the hearts and minds of all of us.
You know the term which comes to mind when I think of Mrs. YGP? Iconic. Yes. She was full of passion, zeal, enthusiasm, patriotism, punctuality. She was just larger than life. I remember the times when she used to thunder the national anthem through the microphone. She wanted us to get the pronunciations right. She was totally uninhibited. Oh, she was something. I remember the times when she used to go abroad every year, either to England, Europe, or the United States, and come back with novel ideas. In fact, when I was in the 7th standard, she came back with the idea that we had to group students based on their meritorious achievements. So section A was one which had all the above average students, section B was the average ones, and section C the ones who needed a little more time and effort to do well in studies. And I remember my friends, some of them who were doing very well in their class, dropped from rank 5 to rank 35 straight away when they entered A section. But still, she did not give up. She came up with something new. She was an innovator. She was a master. I really miss her. Sri Guru Pyo Namaha.
I'm paying my tribute from Colombo. The first anniversary of the passing away of Mrs. Y.G. Parthasarathi is a very solemn occasion for me personally, as I am sure it is for the rest of the wider PSBB community. Mrs. YGP was a constant source of support, guidance, and encouragement. It is difficult to cherry pick specific instances when she touched the lives of PSBBians like me, because her impact was almost always felt during every school day, event, and the summer holidays. Effort and perseverance are two of the most valuable character traits, and Mrs. YGP displayed both these traits throughout her life. The PSBB brand owes its existence and reputation in large measure to Mrs. YGP. In the process, she was able to constantly improve the student experiences, especially through extracurricular activities which had to go hand in hand with academic rigor. Mrs. YGP was among my earliest recollections of leadership in action. In the world of education, she was both an artist and a scientist. Since leaving school in 1993, I have wondered quite often whether her science of leadership was more profound than her art of leadership. I guess I will always marvel at that question and the way she so successfully and effortlessly juggled the two. For those students currently at PSBB, it is my request and hope that you will imbibe the PSBB ethos so skillfully created and nurtured by Mrs. YGP and her team of the past and the present. I feel honored to pay my tribute to Mrs. YGP and pray for her departed soul. Om Shanti.
Friends, Indians, and quiz whizzes, lend me your ears, this one's just for you. Dr. Mrs. YGP's passion for questioning and seeking answers was very well known. What could be a better way of paying a tribute to her than by conducting a national level quiz? Students of classes 6, 7 and 8 are now invited to participate in a class apart Dr. Mrs. YGP Memorial Quiz, an annual event launched on her first Memorial Day. Watch the next video for more details.
The first ever PSBB National Quiz. The first ever a class apart. The Dr. Mrs. YGP Memorial Quiz, completely digital. Individual participation, an inter-school quiz to kindle your intellect. A unique opportunity. Launched August 6, 2020, blessed by the esteemed Vice President to the iconic educator, Dr. Mrs. YGP, a tribute. It's national level quiz time, folks. Put on your thinking caps and join the knowledge tribe. Great cash prizes are awaiting. Last date, 20th August for registration. It is free at the PSBB website, students of classes 6 to 8. So gear up and register and enjoy the excitement, the thrill of GK and puzzles, the joy of giving right answers. Pick your brain, the buzzer beckons at the first ever a class apart. The winner backs 20,000 rupees and 3 finalists 10 each.
கேடில் விழுச்செல்வம் கல்வி ஒருவருக்கு மாடல்ல மற்றையவை. This popular Tirukkural, written by the Tamil poet Thiruvalluvar, translates as, knowledge alone can provide man with wealth and power that never declines. It is perhaps with this in mind that Dr. Mrs. YGP chose knowledge is power as the motto of our institution. Thank you all for joining us this evening. Do tune in tomorrow at 6 p.m. as we continue our humble tributes to our beloved founder. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Vidya Shakti. Medha Shakti.